I'm reading the book Discipline is Destiny by Ryan Holiday, or actually, I'm listening to it, to the audiobook, and it's amazing. I'm going to read you one quote and I'm going to tell you my declaration for the next 65 days. And you can join me if you feel particularly courageous, because this can get pretty intense. So, the quote: the decisions we make today and always are being recorded daily, silently and not so silently, in who we are, what we look like, and how we feel. And I have been feeling pretty crappy because of my chocolate eating urges. So I've decided until 9/9/2025, 2025 is a 9/2, I will not eat any sugar or honey. No fast carbs, no nothing. None of this bullshit. A reset of the body, the mind, and the spirit. So if you want to join me, then do so. And if not, suit yourself. Beauty is not a look. Beauty is a feeling.